If you've lost your sending privileges on Venmo, it can be frustrating. This guide will help you understand how to restore those privileges step by step. Step 1. Check your account status. Log into your Venmo account and check for any notifications or alerts regarding your account status. This will help you identify if there are any issues that need to be addressed. Step 2. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the eshrock.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 3. Review transaction history. Look through your recent transactions for any that may have violated Venmo's policies. If you find any, you may need to resolve those issues before your sending privileges can be restored. Step 4. Contact Venmo support. If your account status is unclear or you cannot identify the issue, reach out to Venmo's customer support. You can do this through the app or their website, and they can provide specific guidance for your situation. Step 5. Wait for confirmation. After taking the necessary steps, wait for Venmo to review your account. They will notify you via email or through the app once your sending privileges have been restored. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Venmo. If you encounter any difficulties, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from Venmo support.